US30 has achieved 30 to 200 levels, close to 30 to 200 levels, while US100 failed to sustain above 11650. It dropped and erased all the gains for the US cash session. Now, what can be expected today? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. Missing on to subscribe this channel is missing on the profit. So do like, share, subscribe and comment. Do press the bell icon so that you can keep yourself updated with the next updates, next analysis. The next video will be up before the US cash session. That is going to be the second update for the day. Do watch that also. Let's start. First, we'll look into NASDAQ100 and followed with Dow Jones. Now, look at the hourly charts for US100. You will find rise, retracement, lower lows are seen here. And remember, it has breached past the important support of 11400. That is very important observation there. Now again, I will look forward for it to breach past 11400. Once it trades below 11400, you can expect 11350, 300, 250, 200. Till 11200, there are going to be the major and strong support levels. Now, how it is behaved on the hourly charts, you can find out. Series of retracement only by position today again is beyond 11480. So again the same levels which we had talked since last 3 days, 11380 and 11480. Buy above 11480. Now I am saying 11500 and 11400. Do not trade for these 100 points. Buy above 11500, sell below 11400. Very clear there. Directional movement moderately bullish, stochastic looking downwards, MACD in red, RSI trading flat. And if you look at the 2-hour charts, now look at the 2-hour charts, you will find support there, lower highs there. Yes, the resistance at 11480, 500 is very, very strong. The support there at 11420 is very, very strong. And I will recommend you to sell at 11400. Below 400, 11350, 300, 250, 200. Above 500, it is directly going to land for first and nearest resistance at 520, and then 600, 650 levels should come into play. Beyond that, it is going to fly high. Now, look at the directional movement bullish, stochastic rising from the bottom, the MACD divergent and bearish, RSI trading flat. Remember, today, most of the movement will be dependent on the US Q3 GDP data. Now, look at the 3-hour charts. On the 3-hour charts, flat top, flat bottom. Trading below 11400, certainly you can expect a stronger red candle which can in fact give you another 100 points which might take it till towards 11320, 300 levels. Be careful there. Only below 11300 you will expect further more bearishness. Directional movement moderately bullish, stochastic is at bottom. The MACD is divergent and bearish here. It is still looking downwards. RSI is also looking downwards. And likewise on the 4-hour charts. On the 4-hour charts, see these two candles. Previous two candles, flat top, flat bottom, and a breakout is awaited. Yes, if you see it trading below 11400, certainly you can remain bearish, and above 11500 we may see further more bullishness there. Directional movement bullish, stochastic trading at bottom, the MACD divergent and bearish, and this is a 4th red candle, RSI trading flat. And if you look at the daily charts, on the daily charts you will find, now see one observation, increasing body size. Second observation, lower lows, lower highs. Hence, it awaits a breakout there, and see it has already seen the greenery out there. Below 11400, certainly it will call for a very good drop. You have to be careful this time. In fact, it can try to take it till towards 11300. 250, 200, which are going to be very good support levels. Hence, you have to remain cautious of 11400 today. You can sell below 11400, stay short. And then on the upside, another observation is the lower highs which we had seen. This time, if it continues to trade bullish, once it breaks beyond 11500, you can expect 11600, 550 and 600 major resistance. And then beyond 11600, it is going to fly high for 11700. It can give you equally strong candle today, which we had seen last Friday. It may give you similar size of candle if it tries to trade above 11500 levels. Directional movement moderately bullish, stochastic looking downwards and indicating bearishness. The MACD divergent and bullish here, it is trading in green, possibility of a conversion exit, RSI trading flat. Considering this, the trade is very simple and the levels are very easy. Below 11400, stay short. Expect 11350, 300, 250, 200. plus minus 10-20 points. I am discounting. It's above 11,500. We are looking at 11,600, 720, 800 levels also. It can give you a very strong rise above 11,650 levels. Remember this fact. Directional movement is still bullish. Remember this fact. Hence, take your positions accordingly. Buy above 11,500, sell below 11,400. Now, if you also want to master this art of reading the charts, if you also want to master this art of identifying profitable trades, taking the right entries and right exits at the right time, you can join my mentorship batch. And definitely the investment in your learning, you can reap the profits throughout your life. So reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Also, if you just want to trade as per the signals, look at the performance of my signals channel. This is posted in the communities tab, and this is also posted in my Telegram channel, public channel. You can see thousands of points gathered in just 1 month, almost 3,000 points of move on Dow Jones and 1,500 points of move on NASDAQ100 alone. You can join the signal channel. Definitely you can profit. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Now let's have a look at Dow Jones trading at 31,980. Look at the hourly charts on US30. Series of consolidation candle. Breaking below 31,900 this time, stay short. Below 900, you can expect that the next destination is going to be 31,800 and 31,700 levels. Below 31,700, only you can expect the bearishness to be there. At the same time, you can buy above 32,050 and then you can expect little more bullishness when you can see 31,150, 31,200, 32,150, 32,200 levels. Remember this fact. Yes, you can buy there at 32,050 levels. Directional movement moderately bullish. Stochastic looking downwards. The MACD is bearish. The RSI is flat. And if you look at the 2-hour charts. Now look at the 2-hour charts. It is also trying to trade in this bullish channel. And see, getting the support from the 20 period moving average. Now the support at 31,800. Very strong. 31,700. Very strong. Below that, directly, we can expect it to hit 31,600 and 31,500, 400 levels. Yesterday also, we expected this to happen. It failed to do so. In fact, it has achieved the high. So, yes, now look at also the 2-hour charts. Lower highs are seen, and hence you have to remain cautious of 32,050. Till the time it trades below 32,050, bearishness cannot be seen. At the same time, 31,900 is the only level below which you can expect little more bearishness. The directional movement is bullish. The stochastic is looking upwards. The MACD is divergent and bearish. It is consistently trading in red, and the RSI trading flat here. And if you look at the 3-hour charts, now look at the 3-hour charts. Likewise on the 3-hour charts, but another important observation on the 3-hour charts is, see, one is the breakout here. Second is the smaller body size. And yes, if you see it trading above 32,050, you can confirm that it is trying to trade bullish. Then you can expect 32,150 and 200 levels. Be cautious. And below 31,900, you can expect little more bearishness, which will take it till towards 31,800, 31,700. Wait and watch for 31,700 because that is going to be the level below which more bearishness can be seen. Directional movement bullish, stochastic looking upwards. The MACD has crossed over. It is trading with divergence and it is trading bearish. RSI trading near to the overbought levels. And if you look at the 4-hour charts, now look at the 4-hour charts. It has created the step out here for it to rise. Possibly the highs there at 31,150, 32,150, 32,200 can be seen, and beyond that it is going to fly. The target is 32,400 level. So see, till 32,050 you have to remain cautious. Above 32,050 you can expect a little more bullishness. 32,100, 150, 200 levels can be seen, and beyond 32,200 it is going to fly high. Directional movement divergent and bullish. It must start to converge. Stochastic looking upwards. The MACD has just crossed over. First red candle is done. We can expect follow-up red candles. If not this candle, probably next candle we may see a follow-up red candle here, and then it may continue bearish from there. Now also, if you look at the 4-hour chart there, you will find that the crossover there on MACD is there. RSI is also trading overbought. And now let's have a look at the daily charts. Now look on the daily charts. The previous had a little tail and a longer wick. Yes, it is trading near to the extremes of the top of the Bollinger Bands. At the same time, it is trading bearish. But yes, if you see, this is also tried to peak, and possibly once it draws below the zone at 31,800, certainly more bearishness can be seen, and below that we can expect it to drop for 31. There. And also if you look at, see, it has seen the steps out there, and possibly if it gives you a breakout this time on the upside, this is going to be a very strong breakout. We can see similar size of candle which was almost of 600 to 700 points. Hence, rising from here at 32,200, you can expect we may see it hitting 32,700 and plus levels. Be cautious. Till the time it trades above 31,900, no bearishness, no confirmation of bearishness, but below 900, certainly it can expect 800, 700. 700 is a very strong support down there, and below 700 it can continue with the further bearishness. Then you can expect it to hit 31,500 and 400 levels. So for the day, only sell position is below 31,900. Only buy position is above 32,050. Above 32,050, you can stay long on gold, but Dow Jones. But remember, 31,000 a very strong resistance level, and beyond that we can see it flying high. Take your positions accordingly. Trade with the stop loss. Trade with the trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading ahead. Join my mentorship batch. Join my signals group. Reach out to me for any of your trading or training queries. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day.